Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Toshi on the Coinbase, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Toshi on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the search bar and type Toshi and search for it. Now tap onto the one of the currency that you are interested in, just like this. Now to buy the currency, simply tap on to buy. Now from here you can add the additional information about the cryptocurrency, and after adding it you can simply proceed to buy. And that's it. This is how you can buy Toshi on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.